Here is another type of fly. It has over 50 large lenses with individual pictures that what happens is the brain meshes them all together so it's just one picture, not 50 images. They have used this technology or this design of God and have created what's called the bug eye night vision goggle. And it has improved night vision goggles where the old ones were like 30 to 40 degree field of vision to 60 degrees. So almost double the area that you can see through your goggles. And all of this because of a fly, even improving missile tracking from 20 to 120 degrees. That is only something God would be able to do. And yet we've copied his design to improve ours. Now, one of the most fascinating things of all that you're going to see today is a cricket. Did you know that you can actually tell what the temperature is by listening to a cricket? You'll have to read up to find out how. You'll be surprised.